Hello everyone and welcome back to our super fun English adventure. Are you ready to learn some amazing new words today? I know I am. Let's get started right away and see what we can discover together. First up, let's talk about numbers. Last time, we counted all the way to 10. Today, we're going even higher. Let's count from 11 all the way to 20. Listen carefully and say the numbers with me. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Let's keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, you did it. That was fantastic. Now, look around you. Can you count how many toys you have? Maybe you have 12 cars or 15 dolls. Counting is so much fun. Next, let's splash into the world of colors. We already know red, blue, and yellow, but there are so many more beautiful colors to learn. Look at this. This is orange, just like a yummy orange you eat. Can you say orange? Perfect. And what about this one? This is purple, like a big juicy grape. Say it with me, purple. And here we have a lovely color, pink. Lots of pretty flowers are pink. Let's say it together, pink. And one more for today. This is brown, like a friendly teddy bear or a big tree trunk. Can you say brown? You're a color expert. Now, take a quick look around your room. Can you find something that is purple? Or maybe something orange? It's like a color treasure hunt. Alright, let's move on to the days of the week. There are 7 days in every week, and each one has a special name. We can even sing a song to help us remember them. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The days of the week. Let's sing it one more time. A little louder. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The days of the week. Great singing. Do you know what day it is today? Ask your mom or dad. Learning the days helps us know when it is time for school and when it is time for the weekend. Now, let's look outside the window. What's the weather like today? Is the sun shining brightly? Then it's a sunny day. Let's all be the sun. Make a big, happy, sunny smile. Just like that. But what if you see drops falling from the sky? That means it's a rainy day. Let's pretend our fingers are raindrops. Go drip, drip, drip. Sometimes, the sky is full of white fluffy clouds. That's a cloudy day. And when the trees are swaying back and forth, it's a windy day. Let's all blow like the wind. Whoosh! Fantastic acting, everyone. Last but not least, let's talk about the clothes we wear. Look, I am wearing a shirt. Can you point to your shirt? Let's say it together. I wear a shirt. Great. And what do we wear on our legs? We wear pants. Say, I wear pants. Excellent. What about on our feet? We wear shoes to protect our feet when we walk and play. Let's say I wear shoes. And when it's sunny outside, what can we wear on our head? A hat. Say, I wear a hat. You all did such an amazing job putting sentences together. Wow, look at everything we learned today. We counted all the way to 20, discovered new colors like orange and purple, sang the days of the week, pretended to be the weather, and named the clothes we wear. You are all becoming such amazing English speakers, and I am so proud of you. Keep practicing and exploring the world of words. Thanks for learning with me today, and I can't wait to see you again for our next adventure. Bye for now.